available for a Python programmer. There are many skills and careers after learning Python. Mm, First of all, is first career opportunity is teach Python to beginners. Okay. Actually, there are many opportunities and careers after learning Python in Python language, as it is rapidly growing artificial language, and it primarily thanks to the boom of the computing and machine learning. Say, I mean, hence the demand of this language is high. By teaching what you recognize to others, is you will make money even more, even before you get an actual job. Like teaching is also is very I mean, teaching is also one of the career opportunities in Python. Okay. And but teaching clients online, in that, I mean, in that the best thanks to the couple, there are a lot of online platforms that will you facilitate I mean, you to find students who are wanting to learn code. There are many opportunities and career software learning that the Python languages. So the aim is how to achieve success, that is. But here the one thing you should keep in your mind, that you don't need to be expert, you don't need to be an expert in expert programming to show others. The most effective thing is that there are a lot of beginners who don't know anything about programming. Okay, so after you're learning Python, please teach others. So this is also one of the career opportunities, so that you can understand the depth in that concepts. Okay, and you will make money also. This is also one of the career opportunity. And the second one is web development with Python. Okay, there are web development is one of the popular career within the programming world. Also, you will create web applications with the assistance of in a range of the programming languages include Python. There are generally there are mainly two web development frameworks in Python, which can help us to make web apps, that is Django and Flask. In further sessions, I'm gonna explain you guys about the Django. That's not Django, that's Django. That's it. Here, the web development frameworks like Django and Flask aims to automate the overhead related to the common activities performed in the web development. Okay. And the one before that, you should learn the front end languages also, that is HTML, CSS, and a small amount of JavaScript. And after that, Django, to become a full stack web developer. What is full? Can anyone know what is a full stack web developer? Can anyone know what is? Am I clear? Come on, guys. Please be interactive. This is not an interview. I'm not going to give any marks or anything. Okay. At least type in comment section. Yes or no. If at all your answer is yes, then explain. Okay. Okay. Yeah, okay. At least comment in chat box that is no RS. That's it. I just want to make this session interactive. That's it. Only few people are responded. What about others? Am I clear? Whatever. Let me explain what is a full stack web developer. What is means? The one who create the whole web application, that we can call it as a full stack web developer, like both the front end and back end. Okay. Front-end languages include like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and coming to the back-end, Django, etc. So if you can manage both front-end and back-end, then we can call them as a full-stack web developer. Okay. However, these don't seem to be difficult as you can think. Okay. There are many opportunities in careers after learning Python. For a fast refresher, full stack web developers are the programmers with a manpower of a four part and side skills. And this works together with knowing a way to Python, and and the probably language like SQL and PH. On the rare end, and the full stack developer is equally reception building of a four-part code with a HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, and after that, this is also one of the career opportunity. And the next one is data scientist. Data scientists are mid to senior level roles liable for interpreting and extracting meaning from field of knowledge. There are many opportunities in careers after learning Python, and it's a broad title that ranges in specifics. But data scientists have backgrounds in mathematics, statistics and computing or other quantitative fields. Okay, and also they mine companies data to seek out patterns, make predictions, and inform to product course support that they learn from their audience and consumers at a large. For example, if you take a weather prediction, like see, you can see that based upon the temperature, there are many weather prediction apps. Everything is done by using the Python. Like data scientist, these works are actually done by the data scientist. Because of the Python's ability to automate and analyze the data fields, it's the premier artificial language. Okay, the information science profession utilizes the system. In other words, you don't have a much trial of working in data science without knowing the way to use Python. Like if you are trying to seek out how to mix Python skills with a background or interest in a matter sense, this can be the spear for you. Like, okay, and this is also one of the career opportunity, like as a data scientist. And there are some other career opportunities also, like quality assurance engineer. Actually, I'm not familiar with this quality assurance engineer. It's generally for testing. Like quality assurance engineering positions are another ground level gateway to tech, particularly if you recognize your way around Python. Quality assurance engineers don't build software, they just simply liable for testing it. So that's why Python is so important for landing one in every one of these jobs. And Python's golden touch for all the things automation related makes it a long ways within the software testing process. Okay, and there are many opportunities and careers after learning Python. One of them is quality engineer. Also, it includes creating software test plans and test cases, and developing and executing automation scripts using open source tools like Python. Okay, this is also in one of the career opportunities. And there is another that is as a GIS analyst. Geographic information systems, like research institutions, environmental scientists, health organizations, land use planners, business and government agencies use this system to capture, store, analyze, and manage our geographic data. This data allows users to try to do things like create maps, study population groups, model environmental impacts, and improve transportation and housing infrastructures. These are all include the what is this geographic information systems. This is also one of the career opportunity. Before you choosing your career opportunity, you have to be expert at, you have to be perfect at basics. So that's why every day I'm saying that please do practice, please do practice. Attending classes and listening classes doesn't give you anything. Theoretical knowledge is not important. You have to do practice, so that only you can understand the topics. If you do practice, you may get errors. If you are solving errors means what? You are understanding the topic, okay? So if you are more interested to learn Python, like if you are more interested to choose your choose your career as a Python developer, then you should do practice. There are many programming questions on the online. Please go through it and please do some Google search and do start from the basics. Like please do some small I mean, what is the problems, and after that solve advanced questions, and after that please do some, what is that, hacker rank questions. Okay,
Okay,
please
ma'am.
yeah. If at all you have any doubts, you can ask. Or if at all if you want to say anything, then you can say. Guys, come on. Sir, Chaitri sir, Sanjeev sir, am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, if you at all if you want to say anything, you please go ahead.
No, ma'am.
Chaitri sir, Santoshi ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't have anything to say. If anyone has any issues or any doubts, they can ask. Any issues regarding assignments or any topic, anything.
Okay, guys. Santoshi ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Shall we end this session?
Yeah, ma'am. If no one has anything to say, then we can.
Yeah, okay, guys. Guys, if you don't have any doubts, then you can leave now.